Welcome back, guys. I've lost my voice, but I hope you can still hear me. So we are going to start with the things to use. Okay, so you need a cuticle oil, a cotton file, you're going to need hardener, nail glue, and then trimmer. You're also going to need a cuticle pusher, and then some press-on nails of different kinds that you're going to select from. I got this one from Cuticle, and then a LED UV lamp. I also got this one from Cuticle as well. You're also going to need an acetone or a nail remover. And before then, this is my before. You can see that my nails have grown, so I'm just going to chop them off or trim them off. And by trimming, you just insert your nail in the two sharp blades of the trimmer, and then you just trim them off basically. And over here, I'm just trimming my dead cuticles, and then after that, I filed my nails so that the surface will be rough for the nails to stick very well. I went ahead to do it for all my nails, and this is how everyone is looking like every one of my finger. And then I'm going to use the cotton and the hardener, or the nail remover, to remove the debris from the filing, and then also dehydrate my nails. I did them one by one for all of my nails. So I went ahead to do it for every one of my nails. So it's important to dehydrate your nails so that you don't have any traces of water lying on your nail beds. This will allow the press-ons to really stick on, and for the nail glue to also function very well. Yeah, sorry, I took a break to cough. So I'm just trying to remove all the debris, like I was saying, and then I use the rest of the nail remover to just clean off the debris off my fingers. And this is how they are looking like now. Now after I'm done, I'm going to use the hardener to apply on all of my nails. This will create a barrier between the nail glue and the hardener. Some people prefer to skip this step because to them the nails do not last long, but sometimes I do, sometimes too I don't. So it totally depends on you, so far as you are keeping them away from water. And then I let it dry under the UV lamp, and when I was done, I used my cuticle pusher to push my cuticles back. Now you can push your cuticles back before you trim off the dead cuticles, because when you push them back before, you allow you to see the dead cuticles, but I did them after. So it all depends on you as well, because I don't like to remove all my cuticles. So when I was done, I went ahead to select my press-on nails. Initially I wanted to go with the purple shade, but I thought, well, okay, let me just use the brown shade or the dark brown shade, because like none of them were equals to 10, like the 10 of my fingers. So you see that I'll be mixing the purple shade and then the dark brown shade as well as we go ahead. So I went ahead to match all the nails to my nails so that I see which one is going on which particular nail, and I'm laying them side by side according to the position of my finger. You can clearly see that some nails have been used before. Yes, you can reuse press-on nails. I've done that on my TikTok page. When you go to my nail playlist, you will see the video I'm talking about how to reuse a press-on nail. So it's important to just match the nails to your nail so that you know which one is going on which particular nail. And like I said, not all the nails were enough, so I mixed the purple shade together with the dark brown shade, and I went ahead to start fixing my nails. And I'm going to do it from finger to finger, starting from my smallest finger. Okay, so I start with applying the glue on the press-on, and then applying some on my natural nail, and I am very generous with the glue so that it sticks very well. If you are a stay-at-home person, or if you do a lot of activities that involve water, you might want to be extremely generous with the glue, and you might also want to skip applying the hardener so that it can at least be longer for you. So I stick it on according to the finger, so like my small finger, and then I move on to my right hand, and then I fix my small finger as well. So basically I don't fix all my nails at once, I just do them one by one on each finger so that it is easier. I learned it from Jackie Aina. I mean, she's a gold, I mean, you know what I mean. So I went ahead to do the same thing for all of my nails, basically applying the glue on the press-on, and then applying the glue on your natural nail, and then you stick the press-on onto your natural nail. You hold it for a long time, and then you press it side by side, making sure that everything or the press-on has totally sat on your nail perfectly, so that it will not come off no matter what you do until like a few days after. Okay, I hope it is helpful and you understand very well. So over here, I'm just fixing my last nail, which is my thumb, and you can clearly see that because I fixed my nail individually at every side at one point in time, it is very easy for me to do. Okay, and when I was done, I realized that there were some sharp tips. Most of the press-ons comes with some sharp tips, like like you can see. So you have to identify those ones and use a smoother side of your file. Okay, my file is pretty old, I have to change it. So use the smoother side of your file to file the sharp sides, because unconsciously you can hurt yourself when you are doing something. So file up the sharp sides or the sharp tips so that you don't hurt yourself unconsciously. So I went ahead to do that for all of the ones that had sharp tips, and then I finished it off by using my cuticle oil to apply at my cuticle beds so that they are well nourished and they are also looking like hydrated and nice. So most of the times I go ahead and apply it on all of my fingers to make it more appealing, and this is how everything is looking like. I guess you can see I've mixed the purple shade like I said from the beginning. So this is all the erase that I have for you today. I hope it is helpful. Let me know if you want me to be mixing some of these beauty tutorials with my hair tutorials as well. Well, this page is for beauty necessarily. So yeah, I hope I see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.